This is the Uplift Desk conference table. Today we'll be unpacking, assembling, and going over the features we picked and why so you can decide if Uplift Desk is right for you. Over the last year, our team has been quite busy growing. Thanks to viewers like you, we've had the opportunity to review many products, from lasers to computers, portable power stations, and more in between, and even more to come. And like any other YouTube channel, small business, home based business, or shop, the growing pains are very real. Quite literally, we oftentimes struggle utilizing the space that we have effectively and not having too many eyesores around. So we search for furniture that gives us the most bang for our buck, so to speak. These are usually equipment or furniture that can be easily moved, rearranged, repurposed, and will hold up well over time. So we came across Uplift Desk and we were very intrigued by their ginormous conference table that fits 10 seats, which we then configured to our liking. So let's take a closer look. Welcome back to Space Age Tech, where we look at the tech that pushes the limits. We'll start with the unboxing. We love that you can easily design your desk or conference table online, choosing the options that work best for you. Getting the Uplift Desk delivered was easy, and depending on your configuration, you might be getting a few packages all at once or over a few days. As you can imagine, the tabletop is one of the heaviest and bulkiest part, so you might need 2 people, but it does come in 3 pieces, which should make it very manageable. Uplift Desk offers a lot of options when it comes to tabletops, so you can easily match to your style. From walnut to marker board frosty white, there is something for everyone. We went with a 1-inch thick carbonized mosso bamboo table, as you can see here. This conference table is 42 inches wide and 92 inches long, and it has a leaf to expand it to a massive 108 inches. For the legs, we went with height adjustable legs. It was an amazing find since you don't often see tables this large with adjustable height. They also offer a static seated height version if you don't need that flexibility. These are very well built, solid, and the finish is really smooth and precise. You can really see the attention to detail and quality of this metal parts. If you're not really into black, they do offer a few other colors. Those are the 2 most important parts, and the next box has all our cable and power management, keypad to adjust the height, etc. Assembly was easy, but we did rely on our handy instruction book to put it together. And there is also an online guide. The first part is assembling the heavy-duty steel frame. The frame supports the table, which allows it to be very sturdy. Then we have our 4 legs. Each side is connected for stability. We also chose the heavy-duty casters in black. This will allow us to easily move the table with anything on it, again with flexibility in mind. This is the adjustable height version, so we do have precision drive motors housed in each leg, giving us a lifting capacity of 535 pounds, which is probably a lot more than we might need in any given day. And once our frame and our legs are all set up, we'll install our heavy-duty casters. These add 4.7 inches of height, but they make the workstation mobile over cords, uneven floors, and debris. And to control the height, we have to install our keypad. This is easily screwed in. Our last steps were to install the controller box for the desk and the cable management. This is where all the magic happens. And as a finishing touch, we have our magnetic wire management accessory. This is our final setup. As you can see, all power cables are well hidden under the desk frame, so you have a neat and clean looking table. With the casters, you can even roll it into the dining room for Thanksgiving and Christmas. We most likely won't need a power outlet in the table itself, but you do have an option to add a pop-up power grommet if you wanted to plug in a projector, a telecom system, or something of that sort. As mentioned, the heavy-duty steel legs give it stability and sturdiness. With a height adjustment range of 24.5 inches to 50.1 inches, you can use it in a seated or standing position. We wanted this added flexibility because from time to time we might use it as a work table and we'll need it at counter height. And since we'll be filming on it, we like the added convenience of adjusting it so we don't have to bend over to take video or photos of the products we're showing you. But perhaps you have your very own basketball team and you can move the tabletop all the way to those 50.1 inches. All jokes aside, we thought this was a great feature. For the keypad, we chose the Advanced Comfort Flush keypad. It of course allows you to move the table up and down using the keypad, but also has other cool features, like saving your 4 favorite heights, anti-collision system to avoid hitting objects below or above for safety, LED display, and height calibration. You can actually control the table height with an app. This is pretty cool because you can remember your favorite settings as well. It's actually a pretty smooth motion moving up and down. Uplift Desk also offers a ping pong size conference table, which would be amazing and we were very tempted to get. But for now, we gotta stick to business. And it really is a beautiful table. We chose this nice light pattern without too much gloss. Since we'll be using it primarily in our recording room, this is important because we can avoid glare. But there is so much more. You can even get a sample of the material before you make your color choice. So, what did you think? Let us know in the comments. We thought the Uplift Desk conference table was a great find. Not only does it have the flexibility we need, but the delivery process was smooth. The assembly process was not overly complicated, and this table is well built. And all the Uplift Desk products come with a 15-year warranty, so it is an investment that will last you for a very long time. Are you ready to get yours? Check out the links in the description below. We'll be reviewing this and other amazing technology in our upcoming videos. If you like this one, please like and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow.